Draw viewers into your page by anchoring a focal point with two papers. Hi, this is Julie Cinco from Digital Scrapper, the very best place on the web to find complete and professional instruction for digital scrapbooking. We help you get your stories told. This video is being filmed in Photoshop Elements, but the instructions are exactly the same for Adobe Photoshop except where noted. Our scrapbook pages often have a focal point. What is a focal point? It's the place on the page where your eye is drawn. It's the most important part of your page, usually a photo, and all other features of the page stem from that one place. Why is a focal point necessary? It captures the viewer's attention, it emphasizes what your page is about, and it controls the eye's movement. The focal point on a page will need an anchor. What is an anchor? It's anything placed behind your focal point to pull the page design together. Examples include paint, grunge, washi tape, paper strips, and small 3D elements. Why is an anchor necessary? It acts as a foundation for your focal point. It ties together all the elements of the focal point, and it leads the viewer's eye right to the focal point. This tutorial shows one way to anchor a focal point using two papers. Begin in expert mode by opening the Paper 11 JPEG file from the downloads. Next, open the Paper 5 JPEG file. Get the Move tool. On the document, hold down the Shift key and click and drag the plain paper onto the pattern paper. Holding down the Shift key while adding something to a document ensures that the item will land in the center of the document. Next, we'll reposition the top paper. In the Layers panel, the top paper layer should be active. Press Ctrl-T, Command-T on a Mac to get the transform options. In the tool options, set the angle to 40. Photoshop users set rotate to 40. On the document, click and drag the paper up and to the right. Click the checkmark to commit. Let's add a drop shadow. In the Layers panel, the top paper layer should be active. In the menu bar, choose Layer, Layer Style, Style Settings. Set the lighting angle to 120. Click directly on Drop Shadow to open the settings. Set the size to 5, the distance to 8, and the opacity to 50. Click OK to close the dialog box. Photoshop users will find the settings in the manual. The corner of the paper is an anchor for the focal point of this page. Finish your project by adding desired elements around the focal point, and then save the document as a layered PSD file with a unique name. In my completed project, the photo is the focal point. The corner of the paper is anchoring the focal point. I love how the edges of the paper lead your eyes right to the photo. If you'd like to learn more about page design, check out Design Beautiful Pages by Linda Satgast. You'll find a link to this class as well as a coupon code in the manual that accompanies this video. So that's how to draw viewers into your page by anchoring a focal point with two papers. This has been Julie Cinco with Digital Scrapper.